Good morning, traders. This is Ala Peters on December 3rd. In front of you, extremely challenging market conditions. Intelligent trader understands and knows that by looking at this chart. This is institutional chart. Institutions holding positions of multi-million, multi-billion dollar account, not for a couple of minutes, but for months and years. Institutional buy point was here, March 23rd. Alpha Fibonacci system identified that sell-off will end at this level many months in advance. This is the reason I work with hedge fund managers, hedge fund traders for the last 10 years. Because those who are moving millions and billions of dollars understand the power of the system. So if you're trading your little account, you certainly want to trade with them, not against them. This is a chart you analyze every single day before the start of the day. Let me remind you, the power of the system in the last year, and we'll review what's happening now and why now market is extremely challenging. Here's S&P at the end of 2019. Bullish rally reaches Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. The end of 2019. Intelligent trader, hedge fund manager understands protecting long-term positions is critical. Obeying Alpha Fibonacci rules. So when price selling off, you are not losing sleep. You understand where shorts played out. You obey Alpha Fibonacci rules. You also know many months in advance where to expect critical institutional support. Correct? Key in front of you. You protected your profits. You understand that this institutional support is critical. So when this support is reached and buyers step in on March 23rd, when news is blasting, it's a Black Thursday, intelligent trader understands this is institutional support level. Turn off the noise. Pay attention to price. Top 1% owns news channel. Top 1% buying the market. Buyers step in. This is the start of the rally. Despite worst economic crisis. This is when day trading is easy. Intelligent trader buys with institutions every single day, multiple trades, 15, 20, 30, 50, hundreds of trades when institutions taking positions. And when bullish rally picks up this steam, it's a beautiful news. There are a couple of obstacles left on the way. But every single time, Alpha Fibonacci rules obeyed, and Alpha Fibonacci trader continue buying the pullbacks with institutions. And we discuss this every single day. But when bullish rally becomes overextended, this is when market starts reminding you the difference of the start of the rally versus overextended markets. Intelligent trader understands 3200 is critical. We're watching this level for many months. We discuss market at overextended levels, 3200 holding the key. So if you're trading your micro account, your few $1,000 account, you understand this is last key institutional buy point. If this support is out, market will crush. Institutions continue respecting this support for months. and months and months. The biggest rally since 1980s, despite the worst economic crisis. Way, way, way overextended. Correct? This is S&P now. Very few gems are present. Intelligent trader understands that. As long as institutions will continue holding longs, market will become much more challenging every single day. So when you come to the markets and you look at this junk and you look at frozen overextended rally, which plays out in the markets currently 90% of the time, what is your conservative thing to do? Run as far as possible. Because when institutions do nothing, so should you. And as long as institutions will continue holding longs, you will be tested to the core, and no indicator will ever help you. But knowledge of price action will. Pure price for entry and Alpha Fibonacci for exit. This is all you will ever need. For the last hour, overextended rally been stuck at critical Alpha Fibonacci resistance. Intelligent trader knows there is nothing here to do. Intelligent trader does not trade against institutions. But when resistance is present, there is only one option: to short. Never ever to buy into resistance. It's black and white. 90% of the time, market is junk because institutions holding positions. Very few gems in this market. So when I come to the markets this morning, what do we see? Let's zoom in on day trading levels. This is your ultimate buy at key support, correct? This is not. You're walking away. You are not standing in front of Goldman Sachs bullish train, are you? If you are deciding to take short, you are trading as retail trader who does not understand what institutions do. Please remember, highest probability trades with institutions only. So when you decide to short the market with Alpha Fibonacci system, you know days, hours, minutes, seconds in advance where your critical targets will be. This is retail short only. Institutional trades are long. It's a crawl. It's a pain. It's a torture. When institutions taking positions, market flying and crushing. When market crawling, it's not institutional bias. At resistance, your only option to short. That was exact same case yesterday morning. Right now, intelligent trader moving stop outside of break-even, correct? Key target is reached. Do you remember this level on institutional chart? Do you? During crisis? This is identical level in front of you. On 1 minute chart right now, correct? But this was a level on institutional chart on March 23rd. Shock or not, that's the power of the system. Do you want to use the system long term? Or do you want to day trade? This is a system in front of you right now on day trading chart. It's a junky retail short. Institutions holding long. Every single time to the downside. There is no crash, is there? It's extremely painful move. How long did it take this short to play out? An hour. This is key Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Pay attention, please. Intelligent trader just trail very, very close. Key target already is reached. All of that already played out. You understand how crucial this level is. At reversal zone, intelligent trader expects reversal. And that's the power of the system. Trade it all over the world. You decide what you want to trade. So here's the traders on powerful days. Gerald killing it in the market. So does Khalid, so does Fong, so does Preston, so does Jason. Every trader different account. Here's another day. Ken is killing it on Bitcoin, 120 out of 120 trades. Mel is trading Dow, Emmanuel trading in Q, Fang trading Dow, every trader different account. You decide what you want to trade. It is that simple. It never gets sold, I promise. And when Jason trades silver and gold, and Ken trading SPY, while Fang trading Dow, and Anderson trading NQ, 2K, Micro S&P, it's a small account. So does Charles, so does Khalid, Gerald, 32, no losers. Emmanuel NQ brought his wife and best friend. This is Adnan, best friend of Emmanuel, Jennifer, his wife. Fathers bringing their children, wives bringing their husbands, children bringing their parents, uncles, brothers, every single person, different background, different account. You obey the rules, the sky's are the limit. Did we know or did we know to expect reversal? Of course. No matter what you trade, no matter what account, no matter what instrument, Alpha Fibonacci system remains the same. It is that simple. Every single day, more and more posts. That's the reason system traded all over the world. And when I received this email from Jennifer, to be able to earn income from home with less social exposure, with 2 little newborns at home, that means the world. It never gets old. You decide what you want to trade. And when buyers picking up from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, no one should be surprised. That's the reason students become my friends for life. All you have to do, obey the rules. Do you see market moving to the upside very, very fast? Are you surprised? Of course not. Because institutions continue buying longs, correct? So on the scanner giving you alert, and you understand the power of the system, and you understand how to place your trade, you understand it's a critical moment, correct? It's all in front of you, every single day. That's the power of the system, that you can trade on anything you choose. So you're witnessing this reversal on S&P, correct? But it's the exact same thing that played out on oil from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, correct? Shock or not, it's all the same. It's all identical reversal. Our Saudi student trading oil stocks. This is identical bullish reversal on Amazon. From bullish point of entry at the end of 2018, the next bullish points of entry at key support. This is Amazon in brutal correction, but Alpha Fibonacci support remains respected from 130 all the way to 320. Look at Tesla at the bottom. My goodness, at 100. Boom. Identical rules. But more than anything, look at pound. My goodness. How is it possible that pound reversed? Has anyone seen good news in London? In full lockdown, with Brexit, the biggest rally in so many years. Time and time again. If you trade pure price, with Alpha Fibonacci system, you can trade it all. Gold. Anyone surprised that gold selling off? Gold reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. This is lifeline on gold. Bullish point of entry, ultimate bottom and key support. And this is S&P mini future in front of you. Did we know to expect reversal? Of course. Absolutely. And that what intelligent trader understands. Institutions continue buying every single bullish pullback to the upside, prices flying. If you understand critical Alpha Fibonacci rules and Alpha Fibonacci buy points, you ignoring painful shorts. You ignoring retail junk. You're not in pain. 1 hour on short is a very powerful lesson. To the upside, flawless rally. And that's the power of the system, no matter what you decide to trade. So thousands and thousands of emails from traders all over the world who are sharing what they do with any experience, any background, any account. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. It is absolutely up to you. It never gets old. I love what I do. It is that simple. Thousands and thousands of emails later. Every trader different experience. Every trader different account. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. But this one, take the top bar. Andy is a father of Dominic. Andy is hedge fund manager. So when Andy brings his son Dominic to the course, who is 14, and Dominic killing it in the market, what does it show you? Alpha Fibonacci system is the best video game in town. Listen to podcasts, please. It never gets old. It all played out in front of you this morning. So if you're ready to become a strategic quality trader, I look forward working with you. So here are my traders right now. Found 25 points on Dow. As Jordan says, enjoying every single day. Khalid, 20 points on Dow. Ken is killing it. Bitcoin 2%, LNK 15. Khalid reports another 22 points on Dow. Ken, how many trades since you started? What is the total count? Please remind us, between Bitcoin, stocks, and options, 149 for 149. So if you're joining us, it's one of the smartest things you have ever done. Because if these traders can do it, thousands and thousands of traders all over the world in 57 countries, so can you. I look forward receiving email from you. Brett is a legend. Tried for 20 years before. When I received this email from Brett, what is a critical point to see? November results, it is much more about the accuracy than the point count. Boom. Agree? Here's the performance for the month of November. Is anyone see negative trades? Tell me. This is the game changer. And that's the reason I love what I do. Because if my students can do this, so can you. And that's what means the world. Game changer. Nothing else matters. You decide what you want to trade. When Marco can do this, while being sick in Italy, in the middle of crisis, with huge fever, when Jennifer can do this, with 2 little babies at home, when a child can do this, it's telling you the skies are the limit. Choice is yours. What you want to trade, with what account, and what instrument. It is absolutely your choice. Method applies to it all. So when you come to the website, I highly encourage you listen to students' podcasts, pretty please. Students constantly share their journeys. Students constantly share their stories. You will always find someone just like you. Multiple students, multiple emails you saw in this video, you can listen to. And when you want to see students' emails I received, tens of thousands of emails, we can upload some of them, but I cannot upload thousands and thousands of pages. So please, read and view. Because the skies are the limit if you make an effort. And that's the reason I love what I do. Simply choose from 4 options available on the website. Lifetime system with lifetime software available to you. As you can see, multiple of these traders, you see their podcast you can listen to. You can view the videos from Ken you just saw in the room, from Brett, from Scott. These are the options. Lifetime system for any platform, or lifetime software for Ninja 8 with 3 months group or 4 months private mentoring. 99% of my private mentoring clients finish private mentoring within 2 months. I teach you multi-million-dollar trade that I was teaching to JP Morgan trader. You decide what you want to trade. But if I take you back to the software and to this magnificent bullish reversals that was instant, is anyone surprised where price retracing from? Of course not. How long did the bullish trade lasted? Did it last hours? Of course not. This is the power of the system. You understand what institutions do, and you trade with institutions. Trading becomes joy. Do not overcomplicate trading, please. It is that simple. System applies to it all. Any questions for me? If you have any questions for me, please click on Contact Us section in the upper left corner, 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. But as our incredible legend sharing, get nothing but joy, inspiring others, and seeing traders succeed. This is community of Alpha Fibonacci traders. You become who you swim with. Positive, powerful system. All you have to do, make an effort. All you have to do, obey Alpha Fibonacci rules. And you can trade anything you choose. From futures, stock, Forex, options, Bitcoin, oil stocks, Saudi stocks, instruments I've never heard of. Traders trade it all. Because if price exists, Alpha Fibonacci system applies. Any questions? You know where to find me. Thank you, traders. We're off to class. All classes are live. All classes are very, very popular. The most popular class on Thursday. On Monday we start from scratch. At least 50% of our students in other countries. So if you are in Australia, if you are in Middle East, if you are in Europe, you can view modules and videos. And if you have questions, come to class and I will show you. I love what I do. Thank you, traders, for spectacular start of December. Thank you, traders, for phenomenal day in the trading room. As market showing you again, nothing here to do. Price could be stuck in broker's heaven for reminder of the day. Intelligent trader, done, 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 walking away. Let's start the class.